Oh, hey there. Today we'll be talking about derivatives. Now, there's two Q's of calculus that I've written here. The first one has to do with derivatives, so we'll just mark this one out. It's finding the instantaneous velocity on a point at the tangent line. Alright, the definition of a derivative is a measure of how a function changes as its input changes. And this process is called differentiation. Alright, so we have a graph right here, and the graph of the function is drawn in purple, as you see here, and the green line is the tangent line, and the slope of the tangent line is equal to the derivative of the function at the marked point. Alright, you may be wondering, well, how do you find this derivative? Well, there's a simple formula. I'll write it out for you right here. Xn equals nx n minus 1. It's pretty simple. I'll do a little sample problem here. 5x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4. Alright, well, you're going to take n right here and multiply it by 5. So you'll get 15x, and then you've got a minus 1 from n, and you get 2. So 15x squared plus 4x, and you minus, so there's nothing here, it's 1. And then since 4 to the 1 is 4, you're going to take that to the 0, which would equal 0, so there's nothing there. Alright, in case you're wondering how to multiply derivatives, there's a simple rule called the product rule. And pretty much how it is to find f times g, find the derivative of that, it equals f prime times g plus g prime times f. Times f. Alright, an example of how to do this. Let's take x squared plus x times x cubed. Alright, so this will be f, and this will be g. So this will equal f prime would be 2x plus 1 times just the regular old x cubed, and then you add that to the derivative of x cubed, and that's 3x squared times just regular old f, which would be x squared plus x. So that's the answer. Alright, so we just learned how to multiply derivatives. Now let's learn how to divide them. It's pretty simple using the quotient rule. Alright, let's look at the formula. So you got f over g, and it'll equal f prime times g minus g prime times f all over g squared. Alright, so we'll just use the same thing as last time, with f being x squared plus x over x cubed. Alright, so all you have to do, plug it into the formula. F prime is 2x plus 1 times x cubed minus g prime, which would be 3x squared times f x squared plus x all over x cubed squared. So that'll be your answer. Alright, so quick recap. There's 2 questions in calculus, and one of them is finding instantaneous velocity. Well, to do this, you have to use derivatives, and to find derivatives, you have to do the power rule, and once you know how to do that, you can find out how to multiply derivatives and how to divide derivatives. Well, bye.